We got some new mini flashlights to look at today from Wuben. This is the E2. They sent me 2 different colors here, so let's open these up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Just a couple flashlights to look at today from Wuben. These are little mini flashlights that can be worn as a necklace or on your keychain. So let's open these up and take a closer look and see what comes included. Looks like we've got a USB-A to USB-C charge cable, a little necklace that we can attach to the light, and a little keychain ring, along with a little instructions on how to use that quick release connector on the necklace and some instructions or a user manual for the light. And the color on this one is called Gradient Red, where it's kind of a reddish color that fades into a light clear or gray. Let's take a look at the other one here. And this one here is the Gradient Black. Also comes with all of the same stuff here that we need to use the light. Let's take a close look at these. Well, that really is a small compact light, about 1.5 inches or just over 1.5 inches long, and then the thickness maybe just over 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch wide. Now the weight on these as well, these are super lightweight. They weigh 10.7 grams, which is about 1/3 of an ounce. Now, as far as the specs on the light, it says we have a max output of 150 lumens, a max runtime of 7 hours, 26 meter max throw, and 169 candela. We've got a 1.5 meter drop rating and IP66 waterproof rating. Now the charge port is right here on the back. It's got a little plastic cover. Just pull this little plastic cover off and spin it around. That exposes the USB-C port. And just make sure you press that back in once you're done charging it. Now, as far as the user interface, it's just one button here, a single click to turn that on, and that is the main light. Now, there's 3 different brightness levels here. If you press and hold, there's low, medium, and high. Looks like we were on high when I turned these on. Now, this is right out of the box. I have not charged these up yet, but it says that that's our maximum output of about 150 lumens. Single click to turn it off. Now there's 3 different modes on this light. If we turn the light on and then double click to change modes, we're gonna double click and that's gonna give us this side light function. Let's do the black gradient as well. So turn it on and double click, and that's the side light function. Now in the side light, same thing, you press and hold and that changes the brightness level. If you press and hold again, it goes into a breathing mode. Now, if we double click again, that's gonna go into the last mode, which is flashing. Looks like we've got a red flash here. Now, if we press and hold, it changes to a red and blue flash, like an emergency flasher. Keep in mind, red and blue flashing lights, really not legal to use, so don't display that out in public. And then click it and it turns off. This does have a memorized mode, so when you turn the light back on, it's gonna turn on in that same mode. So you do need to just double click that again to go back to the main light, which is probably where I'll use this the most, and push the button, it turns off, and now it's memorized that main light function, and of course we're on high. So we can drop that down to low, turn it off, turn it back on, it turns on at low. That's a pretty straightforward user interface and a pretty powerful little light. Now, one of the things I also like is that the base is magnetic. In addition to being a magnetic base, I love that it comes with this little keychain ring. That's probably what I'll end up doing, is using this as a keychain light, or I might even clip it on a bag somewhere. But it also comes with these necklaces. The necklace has a little clip that holds the light in place. Let's take a look at that. See right here, it's like a little cradle. You just press it in and it clips or locks in place. So, you know, you can wear this or hang this up in a tent somewhere and have some ambient light. You know, if you're out on a hike, it would be nice to have that little heartbeat or breathing function. Or you can also change it to a beacon flash to make sure that you don't lose your group or the friends you're traveling with. Just make sure that you're seen on the trail or when you're out and about. Now, to release it from the necklace, you just pull back on the little ends and it'll slide right out. The little keychain ring is probably what I will use more. It's a really small little ring, but it's nice that they include that. We can just add this right here on the end. I'll throw this on a set of keys. And there it is, fits in your pocket easily, really not that heavy and not that noticeable. And so nice to have that nice bright light at the ready. You know, using a light on my keychain is just something I've become accustomed to doing now. I've got several little keychain lights and I've kind of switched through depending on which ones are charged. And I can't even believe how handy they are, even if it's just to check the mailbox at night or even in a room that's not lit up very well and you just need to look for something or see something. It's so nice to have that light right at the ready, right in your pocket all the time. You know, that's why they call this an EDC light or everyday carry, but it makes it really easy to carry if it is a part of your keychain, which I've always got keys with me. So I do love having these little lights. But that's pretty much it. These are very straightforward, very easy to use. I like the other light functions. In addition to the main light, you've got that nice side light for almost a lantern effect. And you also have that flashing beacon or that emergency flash, which is a really nice feature to have in a keychain light as well. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get links in the description where you can pick up your very own Wuben E2 as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.